Hello, how do you analyze stocks for position trading using long uptrend and swing trading strategy? Part 4. We are going to analyze NDAQ. We are using maximum daily chart for our chart analysis. We are our long uptrend line is the purple line. We like to buy at the purple line this year, at least at the beginning of the year. And right now, these stocks is far from it. It's still going up. This trend line ended though. Yesterday was a price increase. The price went up yesterday because of the green bar. The green bar just signifies that the price opened in the morning at a level that is lower than the price at the closing in the evening. NVDA. We have NVDA in our portfolio. That's why it's highlighted on our spreadsheet. We purchased it at this trend line. That trend line pretty much ended. A new one started and ended with that new high, which was a pullback, and it's been pretty much moving around that area. So the next one we have in our portfolio as well, NVR. We like to buy at the purple line next time. But right now, we purchased it there, and then that trend line ended, and then the price went below, this trend line here, but still far from this one. The next one is ORLY. Excuse me. We like to buy at the purple line, but right now it's now close to it. It's creating an uptrend line here. Yesterday the price went up. The next one is PCAR. We have PCAR in our portfolio. Purchased in 2024, and then the price went down. So we purchased it right there, right at the peak. That trend line ended. It touched base with our purple line, went up, pull back, and pretty much wandering around there, but yeah, far from where it is. The next one is PJ. So we are going to wait for a while before we will sell PCAR when it becomes positive. PJ, we like to buy at the purple line. Right now is going to it, but we have a short uptrend line here. And the next one is PJR. And PJR, we like to buy at either one of those trend lines. Right now it touched base with one, but we are having lower lows. You see this pullback? The red bar are a price drop for that day because it's a daily chart. We swing trade on daily chart and we position trade on daily chart. Every single bar is a daily price bar. This price bar is a drop because the price at the closing of the day was lower than the price at the opening of the market in the morning. Therefore, it's represented by a red bar on our chart. It is a pullback, is lower than this one. Therefore, we are having lower lows here. So we need to see higher lows before we can say that this pullback ended. Otherwise, it could turn around and continue going down. So the next one is PH, and we purchased PH that we have not sold yet. Purchased it right there in November. The price went up a little bit. That trend line ended, and it has been, walking around that area but still far from where we like to enter next, but still lower than where we bought it before. So we'll be waiting a while to sell. The next one is PWR. PWR, the next one, we like to buy it at the purple line, but right now it's far from it. It's not going down yet. Seems to be following this trend line here, so we'll just wait on it. The next one is ROL, and ROL, we like to buy it at the purple line. It didn't really touch base with it. I think this is just a wide gap to call it as a zone, so therefore we can say that is creating an uptrend line here, as this pullback is higher than this one. That's 2 points that can allow us to trace a line, so we can trace an uptrend line there. But we are just going to continue waiting until it comes down to our trend line below. The next one is ROST. We purchased ROST this year at this trend line, which is 2 years trend line, is in 2000. It originated in 2022. So it touched base with it, went up, came back, and we purchased it. You can see we purchased a little bit far from it, and it decided to pull back to get closer to it. So the next one is RPM. So right now, yesterday was a pullback and lower than how much we pay for it, therefore it's negative in our account. Unrealized loss. RPM, we have it in our portfolio. We purchased it right there, and that trend line ended, and it went to this trend line and start going up. So if we didn't have it, yesterday was a good time to buy some, unless we want to wait for another pullback that can be higher than the previous one. But because we have it in our portfolio, we are not going to buy. Otherwise, yesterday and today, if today is a green bar, today will be another day to buy it again. To buy if you didn't buy it yesterday. But we are not going to buy. We are just going to wait to sell what we have. RSG, we purchased it this year at this trend line, and it touched base with the trend line, went below it, creating lower lows, and then when it start creating higher lows, you see this low is higher than this one, which is higher than this one, and we bought it at the first green bar, and the price has been going up ever since. But we should expect a pullback. Hopefully that pullback will be higher than this one, giving us more confirmation that pretty much, is getting ready to continue going up, making a higher swing higher than what we pay for it. But we'll just keep watching. SO, in a short term, those pullbacks could be lower than what we pay for it, but over time it will continue to go up. Even when it's making those pullbacks, they will be higher up, as but yeah. SO, we like to buy it at this line. It's nowhere near it, but the price is going down. So the next one is SPGI. So SPGI, we like to buy at this trend line, but right now it's following this trend line. Yesterday the price went up. The next one, SYK, we purchased it, we have not sold it yet. We purchased it, and then the price went up a little bit, and then that trend line ended and the price went down. But right now it seems to be going up there. But we purchased a few times during 2024. The arrows at the bottom shows where we purchased, the arrows at the top show where we sold. And we pretty much use short trend line swing trading strategy in 2024, and this year we like to use long uptrend line swing trading strategy, and I'm calling it position trading, as we expect to go through multiple swings before we sell once we purchase. So this concludes how to analyze stocks for position trading or using long uptrend line swing trading strategy, using maximum daily chart, choosing a long uptrend line to wait at to purchase the stocks when we are having higher lows there, confirmation that the drop ended, is not going down further, before we buy at the first or second green bar after a pullback, and then wait for a new high or when our minimum price target is reached before we sell. For that reason, I'm calling this strategy position trading or long uptrend line swing trading strategy. And for that, because we are going to wait a while to buy and wait a while to sell, we are allocating 5% of the account value, or a higher amount per trade to buy, and we are targeting a higher profit to sell as well. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much to all that subscribe to our channel. For more of our how we analyze the stocks for today, will you please find the link to those videos in the description, and it's going to be in the same playlist, Tarot Swing Trading. And for how we gather the stocks for our watch list and trace those purple lines, will you please check our videos on how to create or make a stock watch list for swing trading or position trading in our playlist, Tarot Swing Trading, as well. Is in the description, and it's going to be on the screen at the end of the video as well. Thank you.